Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new Spooktober video, and today we're going to be looking at Halloween sweaters. Halloween sweaters, because sweater weather.
Oh, sweater weather.
Sweater weather.
Sweater weather.
Oh, God, I would.
Finally, sweater weather. Sweater weather. It's about time. It's about
Sweater weather. I love sweater weather. You know that reference. It's golden. You know, we get like Christmas sweaters each year, but we don't do Halloween sweaters. So, I'm coming at you with some fun Halloween sweaters that will get you in the mood for the spooky-tude. Don't forget, you can click the subscribe button and become part of this spooktacular, spooky community where we also do other things throughout the year as well. So make sure to go do that if you want to keep up to date. Now, getting on with this haul, I found this amazing company called Blizzard Bay, and I have found a lot of sweaters. Now, there is actually more sweaters on the way, but I'm going to just film these ones first. So I managed to pick up five glorious sweaters. And I'm going to start off with the one I have on because I think it's one of my favorites. I really like this moon detailing going on with these bats, with these suede on them. I bought all of them in large and they feel really good on. I just really like how this is. It's like a little fun little graveyard print, very cozy vibes going on here. I got my sweatpants on, great sweatpants season on too. How are you? It's got an RIP little graveyard. I really like this one the most, I think, out of the ones so far that I've opened. The next one here we have is this one. It is just a big corn harvest moon. It looks like with the bats coming out of it. It's got some pumpkins at the bottom. What I like about this is there's always a little bit of detailing, and the detailing on this one is the little stems are all embroidered, which is quite a nice touch. I didn't realize how much of these had like extra embellishments and embroidery on, but this one's quite a fun one. I like this one. It's definitely setting the Halloween Eve kind of vibes going on. They're very soft. I have to say they're very soft material, these sweaters. They feel really good on. They're really nice like neckline. They don't feel itchy at all. These are made of 100% acrylic, so they're not made like with an itchy wool or anything, but I really like these. I think it's fun. The back of this one is just a plain orange kind of mishmash of orange and yellow kind of threads going down there, and then a black border at the bottom. I really like this. I think this is a fun one, especially if you wanted something to just be cozy in, or you have like a Halloween work party you want to go to or something and you didn't want to dress up quite so much and you want to get into the vibes of it all. I think that was a good one. Price for all of these was £24.99, £24.99, so around $30 each. I'm not really a spider person, so I think this one might be my miss. It's very different to the others, which is just a big long spider web with one dangling spider on it. Still got that great feel of material of the acrylic in there. And yeah, it's kind of just plain black. If you were wanting to do maybe a subdued Halloween, like you didn't want to go all out with something garish, this is quite a nice one to go for just for that respect. I do like that it does have the white trim on the bottom and on the sleeves as well. Maybe the one thing I don't like about the sweaters is I can't really roll up my my sleeves. They are kind of tight here on the wrist where these two, like the black and the purple meets. It's kind of tight there. That's the only thing. I can't like roll up my sleeves. So if you're a person who's like really into rolling up their sleeves, you won't be able to really do that with this one. It's probably gonna be my least favorite of the sweaters, so I may actually end up returning this one. So let's see this one. Oh, this one's really cool. Oh, this one's got all out in the embellishments on this. Okay, I really like this one. This is the mummy wrap one. I really like how these are embroidered on here. The spider looks really good. Kind of like a little bit of 3D detailing. You got like a little scarab beetle. You got more little bugs at the bottom and those little candies coming out as well. So that's quite cool. I like those kind of effects. They even have stuff on the arm. You got like a skull, more little like cockroach bugs, more scarabs coming out. This one's a little bit more of the Egyptian vibe, as you can see. But I like this. This is really cool. And even on the back of it as well, you got a giant lollipop on there. So I feel like this is another good one if you wanted something with more of the kind of embroidered pieces on there. I think this one's gonna be really fun. And if you kind of paired it with like a beigey kind of color bottoms, it would actually make you look like you're a mummy. So I kind of like this one. This is definitely a really fun sweater that I will definitely be keeping. So that is another favorite. Let's go. Now down to the last one. I thought this one was quite cool, but I didn't realize till I saw in person how intricate the details are for it. Oh, contender for one of my favorites. What I liked about this was it had houndstooth on the sleeves, but when you look up close, they're like ghosts or bats coming out. So ghost houndstooth. How cool is that? I really love that. I like this kind of ghost coming from the haunted house kind of motif with the little pumpkins at the bottom. Now this one doesn't have, from what I can tell, it doesn't have any embroidery on it, but compared to the cobweb one, this one is clearly the better when it comes to kind of showcasing how it looks. I really enjoy this. I think this is a beautiful piece. If you see this at any point, grab this one because this is so detailed for a sweater. Oh, I love this. So that is all the sweaters. What can I say about them? I feel like they're really good price point for quality. I mean, they're 100% acrylic, what you expect. If you wash them on a 30-degree wash, these should be fine. I really like the different patterns they come in. I really like the attention to details, and I love a Halloween sweater. I think these are just so fun and joyful, and you'll definitely get a lot of use out of these. I know some of them are more kind of subdued for the time of years to have it, but I think from a good July to end of November, you could probably start wearing these. I'm gonna rate them, the Blizzard Bay ones, from how I like them. This is my least favorite one. This is the cobweb one. Not really feeling it as much. I mean, it's okay. It's not the worst, it's not the best. Then it kind of gets tricky because I really like all of these ones. I'm gonna say my next least favorite one would probably be the traditional kind of orange and yellow with the pumpkin field on there, just because I feel like it's a garish kind of color. I think this is going to be my third. My middle favorite / least favorite is the mummy one. I do love everything about this, so it's kind of hard to put it at third place, but I had to put it somewhere, you know? And I think it's a tie for first and second between this one I'm wearing with all the bats on it. I've got so many compliments on this one. I did wear this to work just to see how it would perform throughout the day. It feels amazing. I don't get too hot in this. I feel like it's quite breathable. And it's a really great design that gets people talking. It's great for this time of year. Then we have this one, which I really enjoy too. I really like this. I think it's a little bit more fun. I feel like maybe the sleeves might make it a little bit more everyday wearable, but I really love these. I think Blizzard Bay kind of came through with some Halloween ones. I'm excited to see what they'll bring out like next. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 for these. These are really great to spice up the holiday spooky season and to get you in the mood to get yourself into Spooktober. So that's it for the Blizzard Bay. What do you guys think of these? Are you a Halloween person? Would you wear a Halloween sweater for this time of year? Are you in a sweater weather? Let me know down below and I'll get back to you guys real soon. Bye-bye.